Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome to the video. Here we have exercise 4b question number 8. The book is D1. So we have here part A, and I was getting a lot of concerns about this question, and most of my students were having problem in this, and I got a lot of comments that I need to make some video on solving this question. So here it is. Now it's a very easy question. Let's start from the beginning. First thing we need to understand is there are multiple brackets. You can see there's a curly bracket, the round bracket, the square bracket, the curly bracket. So we start from the smallest bracket. The round bracket is the smallest bracket, and then we will solve our way from the smallest bracket to towards the outside till we reach -2. So we will start from the smallest bracket. This is our starting point. So we will start from here, then we will make ourselves and start solving the brackets from the inside all the way to the outside. So let's start now. I will write the entire question as it is, just until this bracket is written. So 3a minus 4 bracket a. Now we have to stop here. Now here there's a round bracket, so I need to solve this first. So I will multiply whatever which is immediately outside the bracket. So as you can see, the minus sign is exactly outside the bracket. So minus will multiply with the values inside the bracket. So minus with +2, it will be, as you can see, 2 does not have any sign with it, so it will be plus. So minus plus, it will be -2. Then minus with this plus a, minus plus minus a. Now you can see, as we have solved the round bracket, so round bracket will not be written now. So see, the first bracket is solved. Now we will solve the bigger bracket. Again, the entire value will be written as it is written now. -4 will be written here. Now this bracket I will not write, and I will multiply the value which is written immediately outside the bracket. So -4 is written immediately outside the bracket. I will multiply it one by one with all the values inside the bracket. So -4 with a, it would be easily -4a, minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, then minus plus again 4 times a is simply 4a. Now as we have the curly brackets here now, so there is only one value which is written outside the bracket, immediately outside the bracket, and that value is -2. We will multiply -2 one by one with all the values outside inside the bracket. So -2 with 3 times 2 is 6, minus sign, minus plus minus, 3 times 2 is 6, a, minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, a, minus plus minus 8 times 2 is 16, minus plus minus 2 times 4 is 8a. So as you can see, plus minus minus and 4 times 2 is 8a. As you can see here, the a values, plus 8a minus 8a, same value with opposite sign, will be cancelled. And now as we have, the final answer would be -6a minus 16. This is our final answer. Now here we have part B. Again we will start from the smallest bracket, which is the round bracket. So here it is. I will write all the values till I reach the round bracket. So let's start 5, 3, c minus bracket d minus 2 and stop. I have to stop here. Now I will multiply the value which is written immediately outside the bracket. -2 is written. Always take the number with the sign always. Okay. So minus 2 will multiply with the values inside the bracket. So -2 with c is -2c, minus plus minus 2 times d is 2d. Now the two brackets will be written as they are. Now again, this is my second bracket, so I will write all the way to this bracket, 5, 3, c minus sign, and I will stop here. Now minus will multiply, as minus sign is written outside, immediately outside the bracket, so minus will multiply with each and every value inside the bracket. So minus with d would be -d, minus plus 2c, minus again plus 2d. Now the curly bracket, 5 will multiply with all of them, because 5 is the value which is immediately outside the bracket. So 5 with 3c, 5 times 3 is 15, c plus minus 5d, plus 2 times 5 times 2 is 10, c, and then plus 5 times 2d is 10, and then d. So add the values with same variable together. 10c and 15c will add, it will be 25c. Then again plus minus, the operation will be subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5d. Now which number is greater? 10 is the greater number. It has the plus sign, so plus will come here. This is how it is solved, and this is our final answer.